Hello, good morning. To access the income and expense panel, you have to click Finance. Under Finance, you see the options, then you click Income and Expense. So let's say you spent 20,000 naira on fuel. So to record that expenses, all you do is you click New Transaction, then select the expense option. The pop-up window will show up where you have to select the category. So let's say, okay, for electrical repairs. So the note is where you state exactly what you spent the money on. So let's say paid for meter. Then the payment method, you can specify the payment method here. Let's say cash. Expense amount 20,000. Transaction date. You select the date of the transaction. Let's say on the 4th, and you save. So if you refresh the page, you're going to see the expenses here. So to see the receipt, if you wanted to print a receipt of this expense, you can click the receipt number here. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to load the receipt page. You can decide to print it using the small POS printer. That's the one they use at the supermarket. Or if you wanted to print the normal PDF A4 size, you can click this. So let me show you how the receipt is going to look for the POS. If I click this, it's going to open it in a new tab, and you can see that it details the receipt. Okay. Then if I click for the PDF, it's going to show the receipt as well. So that's how you record an expense. If you wanted to record an income, you go back to finance, click income and expense. So the income we mean here is other sources of income for the school. So typically for a school, the major source of income is the fees, but you have other sources of income, like you might decide to rent your hall, you might decide to rent out your bus, you might win an award and get a cash reward. So whatever it may be, or you might even get donations from organizations or maybe your old boys. So to record those other incomes, you come here, you click the same new transaction, but in this case, you select income. So let's say you are getting a refund. We can select refund as the income. You're getting a refund from an organization you paid money to. You click refund, then you state what the refund is or who is from. You can say refund from boss company. Then the payment method, let's say they paid using a bank transfer. Then the amount, let's say 30,000. Transaction date can be, let's say on the 7th, and click save. If you refresh your page, you can see that the refund is showing here and it's under income. The previous one we just recorded for the expenses is showing under the expense. So that's simply how you record your income and your expense as an admin, as an finance officer.